Hey everyone, welcome back to MVP Autos, your go-to channel for everything on wheels. If you love speed, performance, and the latest in automotive innovation, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive into some exciting news. Buell Motorcycles has just unveiled their next generation 2025 series, and it's nothing short of groundbreaking. Buell, known for their high-performance American motorcycles, is making a bold statement with these new machines. From design to power, these bikes are built to dominate the road and the track. First up, the new 2025 Buell lineup is focused on pushing the boundaries of performance. One of the biggest highlights is the updated engine technology. Buell has refined their high-output V-twin engines, ensuring more power, better efficiency, and an aggressive riding experience. The new models are expected to deliver improved torque and acceleration, making them even more thrilling to ride. The design of these motorcycles is another game changer. Buell has taken a modern approach with aggressive aerodynamics, sharp lines, and a sleek, futuristic appeal. Lightweight materials like carbon fiber and aluminum help keep the weight down, ensuring better handling and responsiveness. Whether you're on the highway or carving corners on a twisty road, these bikes are built to give riders an edge. Technology has also taken a huge leap in the 2025 Buell series. Riders can expect a state-of-the-art digital instrument cluster, integrated connectivity, and advanced ride modes for different terrains. The suspension and braking systems have been upgraded as well, offering precision control and stopping power that matches the bike's raw performance. With features like cornering ABS, traction control, and electronic ride-by-wire throttle, these motorcycles are designed to be as safe as they are fast. One of the most anticipated models in the lineup is expected to be a high-performance street fighter that combines power with agility. Buell has always had a reputation for blending sport bike DNA with street-ready performance, and this new series takes that concept even further. With improved ergonomics and a focus on rider comfort, these motorcycles will appeal to both hardcore enthusiasts and everyday riders looking for a thrilling yet practical ride. Buell's return to the spotlight in recent years has been impressive, and with the 2025 series, they are proving that they are here to stay. The brand's commitment to innovation, American craftsmanship, and high-performance engineering is clearly reflected in these new machines. Whether you're a longtime Buell fan or new to the brand, these next-gen motorcycles are definitely worth keeping an eye on. So, what do you think about the new 2025 Buell motorcycles? Are they the ultimate performance machines, or do you think they still have something to prove? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Autos for more updates on the latest motorcycles, cars, and everything in between. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one.